Henan, B-Focus Mechanical Equipment Company Limited is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of concrete spraying machine, concrete pump, concrete mixer, brick making machine, road machinery. We are located in Zhengzhou City of Henan Province with convenient transportation access. Our associated factories established in 2011, we have gradually developed into a large factory with a history of 10 years. The equipment we provide includes rebar processing machine like steel bar cutting machine, steel bar straightening machine, concrete laser screed, concrete cutting machine, power plastering machine, concrete machinery like concrete spraying machine, concrete mixer, and so on. Has more than 10 engineering and technical experience. Construction machinery, we can meet your different orders. In addition, our professional R&D team will provide you with the most convenient service. Since your order, we can provide the best products and service for you. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Southeast District, Middle Europe, South America, Africa, Russia, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM customized orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.